Well, punishing, if you intend, I mean, the rejection is a done deal in my view, because I think today it's very likely that the government will confirm the targets, and even after the 3 weeks' time, the government is unlikely to move. So my feeling is that the rejection is almost a done deal. Now, the problem is what's going to happen after that. And I think it's very likely that the Commission, possibly with a very low profile, without making a big fuss, but certainly they are pushing for excessive deficit procedure, which again would not be such a big disaster, but certainly it's a way to put additional pressure on Italy and have a much stricter monitoring on future developments.
Does the Commission have their own limits, though, when it comes to just how much pressure they want to put on Italy? Because, Lorenzo, you've pointed out that the members of the government in Rome are still often in campaign mode. They're really playing into this anti-EU sentiment. And if the reaction from Brussels is too harsh, in some ways, doesn't this just play into their message?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, they are very much playing in this kind of sentiment. But keep in mind that it's not just the Commission. The Commission initiates the process. Eventually, the decision will come from European finance ministers, and so basically it's not just the Commission, but it's all the other European partners are saying to Italy, listen, you have to change this budget because it's not good for your economy, it's not good for your sustainability over the long term. So I think the message will be loud and clear. But I doubt that the government, at least for now, will change direction.
And Lorenzo, as we do await a political solution on this front, I mean, how concerned are you about the impact on the economy and also on the banking sector? Because if we look at what's been taking place in the yields of sovereign debt, sure, we're getting just a little bit of relief today, but it hasn't been pretty. I mean, how concerned are you about the financial impacts so far?
I am very much concerned because I think the yield spreads at current levels can already have an impact on the overall credit to the economy. If that happens, we enter into a sort of quasi-credit crunch as we have seen in 2011. We are still not there, but I think if the situation continues like this for a few additional months, certainly there will be an impact.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.